What is up, everybody? My name is Brokart. Welcome back to another unboxing video. This is what I promised last time, the toy gun. So, I don't really know if it's from Japan or China or something. I just thought it was because of how it looked. But I got this from Ohio. So, I'm just going to open this up. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's good. So, this is what it is. It's this little gun. It's supposed to represent a Colt M1911, and it's basically just a toy version of that. I'm gonna open it for you guys. So I'm gonna try. Oh yeah, I see the gun. There it is. There's the gun. There's the bullets. All right, let's open this sucker up. I've wanted one of these for a while now because there's this guy on YouTube called, crap, what was his name? Cosplay Chris, and he took one of these and he, took one of these and he customized it to be like the Batman gun and, Batman vs. Superman. So yeah, I wanted to get one of these because I thought it was cool, and yes, it is made in China. I was right about one of those. Alright, I want to load this. I want to load this sucker up. Little foam bullets, and these seem like they will hurt. Perfect. More stuff to terrorize my siblings with. This is gonna be fun. Alright. Oh shit. Let's get this all in there. I think that's all it loads. So then we got little extra bullets. Bet. Extra bullets, hold on. I'm gonna throw the trash away, and I want to test this thing out. Cool enough. It shoots, that's the good thing. Alright. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to punch that like button in the face. Subscribe for more. And I will be back with another unboxing video somewhere in February. Because I know that's when my other packages should be coming. And if it's not February, it's going to be a lot later than that. Alright guys. Peace!